Really liking my highlight in this video. Are we ready now? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to actually test out another product, and it is the Vogue Effects Wing Liner Stamp. Now this has been out for quite some time now, but I finally decided to go ahead and get it. It was only like, I want to say like 11 or 12 bucks. I will leave the exact details to it in the description, so please check that out if you're interested in getting one of these. So basically this product is supposed to help you get a perfect wing liner every time. Now if that's possible, that's amazing, because getting a perfect wing liner is so difficult. Just for it to match is very difficult, and even just making the line sometimes I take a very long time, and I do love a nice cat eye, so hopefully this helps. So this says it is waterproof, smudge-proof, and life-proof, and it is cruelty-free and vegan. Kind of couldn't wait to do a video first, so I kind of tested it out, but not quite. Let me explain. So basically you get two pens, and it has two sides to it. Now this one is for the right wing and this one is for the left, and one side is the stamp. It says stamp right here on it, so that's what it looks like right there. As you can tell, I've had this. The only problem is it kind of starts to vanish on me a little bit, so you have to be careful with that. This is supposed to say left wing. I haven't really had this for too long for it to do that. So like I said, one side has the stamp, so it looks kind of like this. I got the 10mm stamp for myself, and that's the classic size. The other side is a pen, and it is a nice sharp pen for your wing liner. A beautiful felt tip. I love this. So mainly for a couple of days now, I've been using the pen side just to see if my eyeliner will stay. Sometimes I put a pencil liner and then I go over it with the pen, and let me tell you, this thing is waterproof. It is smudge proof. It is so waterproof and smudge proof that it is hard to get it off sometimes. With just regular soap and water, if you wash your face with regular face wash. So what I normally use to take my makeup off, especially around the eye area, is almond oil, and it literally just melts it right off, and I love using that more than like a makeup wipe or anything like that. And I will tell you, even with the almond oil, it does help take it off, but you do have to work at it a little bit. But I love it because it literally lasts me all day. I will show you how sharp it is. So this is how smooth and sharp that line is, if you can see that right there. And it gives you like a nice thin line as well. And the stamp side is like this. So that's what that looks like. I haven't used the stamp side yet because I wanted to wait to do it on the video, but I did use the pen side because it's just amazing, and it lasts and it stays, and it is smudge proof. It is not completely matte. I wish it was a little bit more matte. It has a little bit of a shine to it, as you can tell. But yeah, this is not going anywhere. It is literally not going anywhere. This one did come off with the makeup wipe because I took it off right away, but I think if you leave it on for a while, it will definitely just not want to go anywhere. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I've already prepped my face. I already have my makeup and everything on, except for eyeshadow and eyeliner. Hopefully this will work, because then that would be perfect for me to do my wing liner without any problems. So I'm gonna move in just a little bit just so you guys can see what I'm doing a little bit better. I'm gonna obviously go in with my right winged eye stamp. I'm just gonna line it up with my bottom line like that. Is that right? Or is that too high? I guess you can go up or down. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna just line it up. Alright, let's do this. So I'm just going to line it up with my bottom line, which will really give me like a winged eye. So I don't know if that's what I want. Alright guys, I can do this.
A few moments later.
Alright, here you go. That's not exactly what I wanted. Let me try it one more time. Alright. That's okay. It was better on my hand. Look how nice of a line this pen gives you, like right into the inner line. It gives you such a thin line if that's what you prefer. So yeah, that's not bad, you guys. Woo! It is a cat eye. Look at that. And of course, you can always clean it up with some concealer, and this looks so pretty. I like it. Okay, now to do the other side. So it started off a bit rough, but I think we made it through. But the stamp, I wish it was a little bit stronger. Now it's time for my left side. Hopefully I can do it justice and make it look just like this one. Hopefully. Okay, line it up. Alright, I got a little bit. I don't know if it looks like the other side. I also noticed that the stamp kind of dries out pretty quick. So yeah. So let's try to fix this. Now I'm just trying to make it match. Alright, this is the best I can do. Maybe I need to fix this up a little. That's the best I can do for now. It's not bad, but it's not the best. But yeah, this is what I have. Hopefully it looks okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my eyes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have my lashes and my eyeshadow done. I just realized that I didn't put highlighter on my inner corners. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, let me try that again. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have my eyeshadow and my lashes in. Now I know I have eyeshadow on my lid, and what I did was I literally went over my lid trying to stay away from the liner part with some eyeshadow, and whatever part of my liner had eyeshadow, I just went over it with the pen again and just darkened it up a little bit more. So I didn't change the shape of it or anything. It is exactly what I had before I had the eyeshadow in, but the eyeshadow wasn't hard to put on because I was just keeping it one color, simple, nothing crazy. And I will say that when I have it like this, it does look pretty even to me right now than it does before. Still, I don't think that this is going to give you a perfect wing liner because if you stamp it a little bit higher or lower, you can really change the way it looks from the other side or the way that you even want it. Also, the stamp itself, I don't think it's as clear. First of all, I know this is smudge proof, but the writing on the actual pen is not smudge proof because I literally wiped off whatever side of the wing this is, whatever eye wing part this is. So it just says wing, it's supposed to say left or right. So this is the right wing. The way I know that is, you see how it curves down, that it curves out. That is the side that needs to go on the bottom, and the curve in should be on the top. So this would be on my right side. So if I put it on my right side, the curve is down and the other one is in. So that's how I know, because it's literally smudged off. And also, as far as the stamp is concerned, it is not working. Oh, it didn't even show up that time. Okay. So I think it dries up pretty quick because this is pretty much dried up. I don't know if I need to shake it. And it's barely even showing up. I don't know why it's like that. Pen side is great. Yeah, it has literally dried up. So I noticed that when I came over to this side, so I wonder if the other side is the same way. Yeah, this one has a little bit of a ink. So that definitely doesn't help when I'm trying to stamp it. I've only used the pen side and I haven't used the stamp side, so I don't know why it's acting up like that. What I can do with this is if I do want a stamp per se, I can always use a liquid liner like this and put it onto a stamp and then stamp it. So I'm just literally putting that onto the stamp part like that. And then let's see if it will work. Yeah, see, that is right here. That worked really well. That's what the stamp is supposed to look like. You can use the stamp like that. That is one way to use it. I'm not happy that it has already dried up and I haven't even used it. I do like the shape that it gives me. I like that I was able to fill it in, and it was actually quicker than what I would normally do. It'll probably just take practice. So even with a regular wing liner, practice and you will get it right. But the stamp will help me to get a template. So that's pretty much my conclusion on these pens. If you want to give it a try, definitely do it. I think it, like I said, it was like 11 or 12 bucks, and I will leave the information in my description. Go check it out. Leave me a comment letting me know if this is a product you would be interested in, or if you already have one of these and how it worked out for you. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. Like, am I doing it wrong? I mean, it's not too bad. I don't know, guys. That's the right. This is the left. How do I know the difference?